Hello everyone, in this video we will solve an interesting geometry Olympiad question. We find out what is the area of trapezium. I solve this question step by step. If you practice Olympiad level math question, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let's solve this question step by step. Here, parallel side of trapezium, let A is equal to 25, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to 13, and D is equal to 14. Then we know that the formula of area is equal to A plus V divide A minus V root over of S minus A, S minus V, S minus B minus C, and S minus B minus D. Here B is small side of trapezium. Then here S is here A is 25, B is 10, and 25 minus 10. Here S is equal to 10 plus 25 plus 14 plus 13 divided by 2. So S is equal to 31. Then 31 minus 25, 31 minus 10, then 31 minus 10 minus 13, then 31 minus 10 minus 14. Then if I calculate this, we find out this value 196 square unit. So this is our final answer.